Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for a specialty footwear business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, create a new site. Now build with Wix editor. Here enter your business or your website type, specialty footwear. So for example, let's choose this. If you wanna skip, you can skip from here. Now wait a few seconds. Enter your business name here. Type any business name you want. Now let's continue. Do you already have an online store? Shows if you already have one. What would you like to sell? Physical product, dropshipping product, digital product. Now let's continue. Where would you like to sell? My mobile app, online store, and marketplaces and social media. Now continue to dashboard. Design your site. So how would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or here if you wanna customize a design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. Now wait a few seconds. So here enter your information, the name of the business, the email, the address, and the phone. Here if you wanna add social link. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like. Here pick your favorite homepage design. So for example this. Here if you want to add some page to your site. Now wait a few seconds, preparing your homepage design. Now your site is ready and running. If you want to edit more your website, so this is the homepage website. Here you can add elements. So the first element here is the text element. You can edit the size or the shape of the element of the text, the titles and the paragraphs. So if you want to select any text here, or title or paragraph, and or the form of the writing. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image elements. Here if you're looking for something, if you want to upload image, if you want to import image, and if you're looking for free Wix image. Now let's move on to the button elements. Here the same buttons. This the text and icon buttons. Here if you want to edit the size or the shape or the form of the buttons, you can add it on your website homepage. Now let's move on. Here the icon buttons, the image buttons, and document buttons, the iTunes buttons. Here the payments buttons, the pay buttons, and the PayPal buttons. So that's it. Now let's move on to the strip. Here the strip elements, classic or featured, about, services, contact, welcome, testimonial, and theme. You can just select any option you want or any element you want and add it on your home page. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here you find the shapes, the seamed lines, the basic shapes, the rows, the horizontal lines, and the vertical lines. Here the vector art, the future, the icons, and the animals and nature, the logos and the badges and the characters. So you can just select any vector art, any art you want, and add it on your website homepage. Now let's move on to the video elements, the video box, the video mask, the transparent video. You can add any one, just select what you want. Now let's move on to the boxes elements. Here your boxes, the themed boxes, the container boxes, and the over boxes here, and the tabs. So just select any tabs, any box you want, and add it on your home page. Now let's move on to the galleries. Here if you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you want to add some pro galleries, guide galleries, or slider galleries, and here if you want to show more galleries. So let's move on to the menu and anchor. Here you can edit your menus. You find here the same menus, the horizontal menus and the vertical menus. Here you find the in-page navigation. You can edit the anchor and the in-page menu. And the last thing here is the search, the site search. So that's it. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here the forms, the contact forms, the order forms, the registration, donation, application, feedback and request, the waiver and subscribe. You can just select any form you want and you can put it on your homepage website. Here you find the Google Maps, the maps and the full width maps. Just select any map you want. Here the chat, the Wix chat and the line button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the video and the music. You find here the video elements. You can add some single video players, Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video. Here the music element. Here you can add some audio players or Wix music, SoundCloud player, Spotify player or iTunes player. So that's it. Now let's move on to the interactive, the slideshows, the fully width slideshows or the box slideshows. Here the light boxes, the welcome, subscribe, promotion and contact. Here the boxes elements, the hover boxes and tabs boxes, and here the repeaters, the over repeaters. So let's move on now to the list elements. Here you can add the repeaters, the over repeaters and the blank repeaters. Just select any option you want. Now let's move on to the so the embed code. Here you can custom popular embeds. You can add some single video players. You can edit the audio elements. So if you want to add some SoundCloud player, Spotify player or iTunes player. Here the advanced elements. You can add some marketing tools or dev mode. Here the animation. If you want to add animation, if you want to edit the animation elements here. So let's move on to the social. If you want to add some social bar, you can add some Facebook bar, Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line. And here the last thing is YouTube. You can add some YouTube, your YouTube channel on your homepage website. Now let's move on to the payments, the payments buttons. Here you have to add some payments buttons. Here the payments forms, the pricing plans. Here if you wanna edit your store elements. So let's move on to the CMS. Here if you wanna easily manage your site content. Here is the blog. Here if you wanna share your expertise and engage with your audience. Here the store if you wanna edit your store elements, the bookings elements, the related elements and the pricing plans, and the events if you wanna create and manage events, and the community and your designs. So that's it. Now if you wanna add some sections, click here, select any section you want. If you wanna add some pages and menus, and if you wanna design your site, you can customize your site design. If you wanna edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. If you wanna add some apps here, if you wanna manage your business. Here if you wanna upload the media, you can upload your media. Here if you're looking for something, and here if you wanna edit the image and videos. Here if you're looking for 3 weeks image and 3 weeks videos. So this if you wanna edit manage your site's content. And the last thing here is the marketing. So that's it. After you're done from this, you can just click publish. After you're done from designing your website, click publish and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.